A key concept in programming is the concept of the block. A block is a set of instructions that are only executed when a particular condition is met. For example, perhaps you only want to send a greeting to a user if they are logged in. You could isolate the instructions that send a greeting only when some logged in condition is met. Likewise, you might have a calculation that gets executed only when the user requests the calculation. In both these examples, you would put the instructions that greet or calculate in a block that is associated with a condition check or a function call, respectively. In the next week of videos, we'll get into these conditions and then the functions later, but for now, it is crucial to know that the block exists. Different programming languages identify a block of code in different ways. C family languages, C++, PHP, Java, JavaScript, use curly braces. Python uses indentations or white space. In this example, from Lab 3.1, you can see that I give you a line def sums open parentheses close parentheses colon, which is a function. All of the instructions that are part of that function, or collection of instructions, should be indented at least one level to keep them inside the function block. You can see on line 15, return secret is the end of the function, so on line 17, we return to the left margin. Python recognizes a block as a particular indentation level. We'll see there can be blocks within blocks, but for now you need to know that anything inside the function needs to be indented one level from the margin. There are two ways to indent in Python, tabs and spaces. Don't use tabs. In Visual Studio Code and most text editors, the default is to have the tab key insert 3 to 4 spaces. This is important because the indentations must all be the same size or the Python interpreter will get lost. So you must be consistent with indentation size. I use 3 spaces for my indentation. Your Visual Studio Code might be set to 4. If you're using my starter code, you'll need to pay attention to that. To change the settings, just go to File, Preferences, Settings, and adjust the tab size.